I have a challenge for us.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
What we're gonna try to do,
Yeah.
we're doing vending machine only.
That seems very, 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 very.
No, it's where I marked it.
No, it's
There's another
fucking
one?
not. There's one right here,
There's one right
dumbass.
here. There's one right here. And it's a shotgun.
Oh shit, it's an
What the
AR.
fuck? Blue shotty?
That's fucking AR. It's definitely AR.
Do I even go for chests? I'm getting shot at.
No, we don't use any chests. That's not how this works. You're only allowed to pick up ammo from anything.
Okay. I'm finishing this dude.
Okay.
Oh my god, he's up there. Let me
Okay.
know when you're ready.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. He's fucking sweating.
Coming. Where is he?
He's down by you.
Stupid pussy. That's what I thought.
Someone's rebooting.
Oh shit. Boy, I wish you could. Oh my god, on me.
Got him from behind. I got him from behind. He's one shot. I'm dead ass.
Oh fuck. I roll from above.
Got his ass. Let's
There
go.
we go.
I call this one the campfire song.
We ain't
Oh my
opening no
goodness.
goddamn chests.
I did not. I'll give you the blue one. Oh yeah.
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. To the right? Doesn't matter.
Flank from behind. Hit him for 30.
The fuck?
For 70. Got his ass. Kobe.
Where's teammate? Where's his teammate?
Got the 7.
There's a guy.
Yo, my bad.
Really?
My bad.
Let's gather around the campfire and sing our
Good.
campfire
There's a-
song.
Knocking his ass down. Yo!
What?
It's not funny. You're by yourself right now?
He's one shot. He's one fucking shot. Lucas, he's one. Push. It's fucking one hit. Bottom. I promise you he's one hit. If you touch him once, he's dead. That's why he's boxing up like this. Bro, fucking pussy. Keep pushing, what are you doing?
Oh shit.
Popping! Oh!
Lucas, he's one, bro. Don't let him heal.
Whoa! Little man, huh?
No. Don't.
Fuck!
I'm like fucking.
Are you fucking kidding me?
It's a bot too. Should we pickaxe his ass?
Pickaxe his
Should we try to
bitch
pickaxe
ass.
his ass?
Let's go. Where is he?
He's over here.
There he fucking is.
Hey, you fucking bitch. Oh shit! Oh my god, where's he?
Oh, things are looking up
Shit.
too. We got a Lambo.
Whoa!
Oh my.
Fuck!
No fucking way.
It's just one dude. It's just no. I'm kidding.
No, it's
It's
not.
one dude. It's one dude.
I
You got third party.
fucking hate.
Bitch!
Yeah, we cannot end on that. It's a shitty one. It's a shitty one. Okay. I accidentally bought 2 blue ones. Doesn't matter though. It's fine. Oh, it's over here. Bro, how am I so dumb? Oh shit. Oh fuck. Alright, we're good. Bitch. I think that was a bot. It's fine. It doesn't matter. It's okay. Got the kill. Might be good for long range. Oh my god! Give me that guzzle. Hey, pal, listen. We can talk about that? This man is just straight dipping. Yo. Nah. Oh my God. Got his ass.
Well, how about next time you handle the new style? Later, bitch!
This mother... I'm folding. I'm gone. I'm out. Hey, listen. We can't discuss this. Watch your back, bro. Watch your back.
You're fucking foreigners, man. You fucking, you bloody. You bloody. What?
Third party. Hit your shots! Bitch. Woo! Baby, get out of my game! Fuck! Whoa! Oh! Hell yeah. Oh shit. I bet there's someone in here, isn't there? Look at this loot! Oh, is there like a tent around here? We can hide that shit away? Please? Listen, I'm not gonna use it. I swear. I just wanna put it away. I promise. I'm not gonna use it. Oh, you bitch. You really had to shoot me, didn't you? Wow, that's fair, isn't it? Push me like an asshole, bitch. Who do you think you is? I'm out. Bitch. Enjoy that shotgun, you fucking asshole. Good shots, Bozo. It's a little quiet. It's very quiet. Why is it so quiet? Please explain to me why it's so damn quiet. Anyone in here? Hello? Hello? Please tell me I'm in. Please tell me I'm in. Please tell me I'm in. Stop! Oh, hell yeah, baby. Oh, fuck yeah. Okay, why is the storm so transparent? It's like it's not there. Oh, it's already moving? What? We fucked up. What? Who built that huge ass 1x1 right there? What? Listen, buddy. You wanna go use that, don't you? I bet you do. I bet you do.
Suck a dick, dude. Literally, the
But
fattest
you wanna
one
go
you
use
can
that,
find.
don't you? This.
Just shove the whole thing in your mouth.
Alright, well, I guess we're both chilling right here, aren't we? Ooh. Because I know for a fact he can't see me. What the fuck?
Better scramble like an egg before you get folded like an omelet, nigga. Hey.
Oh, you dumbass. Well, listen, pal. Whatever you're drinking, I bet it tastes good, doesn't it? You're not going nowhere. Watch the shit. Give me your shit! Okay. Yo, shit, boy. Let's go! Oh my God. Let's fucking go. Bingo. Challenge down, baby. How many kills do I have?
Try!
Well, these guys, thank you so much for watching. Comment down any challenges that you want to see, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.